Well, the manager's obviously brought in a lot of new players, and he's got a different style of players, what Rhyl's been doing in the last few years, which he's got us playing out from the back, keeping hold of the ball. And every game that's went by, we've adjusted to it, and we've got better and better as the games have gone on. So in 2 weeks' time, when the season starts, like, hopefully everyone will know what the manager wants from them, and yeah.
We've got a few set-piece specialists, direct or corners. Tom is one of them, one of our set-piece masters. Putting a good ball, put the ball in the back of the net, 25 yards out.
Basically top 6 or top 4. Hopefully we don't get the playoffs, hopefully we just push straight into Europe. Good to get a European cap, and just with the new manager, new philosophy, and just he knows the ins and outs of football. Just looking forward to get started really. First game banger. I'd say Llandud now, because they've brought in quite a lot of players, must have spent quite a bit of money, so I reckon they'll stay up, yeah. I'll probably go Harrison, Becklin Walker, myself, Sam Finley, and John Owen.